Welcome to my channel. My name remains Prince Yemi Kasali. In today's entrepreneurial training, we shall be talking about carrot oil, how to produce carrot oil. We have two ways of producing carrot oil. I'll be talking about one of the method in this video, and I'll be releasing another method very soon. Well, before I move further, kindly subscribe to this YouTube channel if you are yet to do so, and please follow us on Facebook also if you're yet to do so. So let's move into today's training. Today's training, we need to prepare carrot oil. This is our carrot. We need carrot for that. So I'm rinsing my carrots. After rinsing, I need to slice. Then after slicing, I'll be grinding. I'm slicing it so that I can grind it very well. Instead of blender or grinder, if you don't have, you can use grater. I love grinding because I felt it is faster. That is number one. Number two is it makes it smoother so that it goes deep into the oil and my full extraction, oil extraction would be gotten. But the little disadvantage is you cannot do this without having little water in your oil. So that means you have to remove the oil. The oil will be above, water will be below, and you have to remove the upper part. So I'm grinding right now. I still want to grind more. I want it to be very so that it all goes into the oil. So that's that. I'm still grinding. Well, I think it's cool this way. I think it's very cool. It's attractive. I feel like eating it all like this. Okay. So put it in our pan, but before putting it on fire, you can see the fire is beside, and I'm putting it on a very low heat. Then I'll have to add my oil into it. So you can use coconut oil or any other oil that this would go into. I'm using coconut oil. I don't really like olive oil, but if you're doing it for sales, you can use olive oil too. I think that will be more cheaper to use. But if you're really using it at home, even for cooking, for the skin, for soap or whatever, the coconut oil has more ways of nutrifying the oil. So it blends along and it gives your body, your skin a good toning. It makes your skin glow. So coconut oil works more than olive oil. So you can see the color has changed. There's difference between the normal carrot and what we have here. So that means it's ready. It has blended now. So that means we can move to the next stage. So the next stage is extracting the oil. You can see that's the oil. Extracting the oil from the carrots. So we'll be extracting the oil from the carrot right now. That means we'll be separating the two. So I'll be putting it into a cloth. So just make sure you separate the carrot from the oil and adding it to it. Then I'll squeeze the oil from it. It is still hot. Leave it to be a little bit cold. So I'll be squeezing all the oil from this. So as you can see, I'm squeezing. That's the oil. I'm still squeezing. I want to make sure I squeeze as much as possible. So the more I squeeze, the water I'm getting off. So as you can see, the water part is going down while our oil is at the top. And this is the remnant. I don't know what to use this for. So this is our oil. Some particles are still going into it. I can also try and sieve this with another thing in order to have just the pure oil. But now I'm just conscious about the water and the oil. The downmost part is still useful. We still have a lot of oil inside, but I just want it to go down more. That is why I'm separating it, so that the next time I'm coming, it would have went down, settled down. I'll get the oil. So I just want to maximize the oil I'll be getting. So I'll keep doing that till I get most of the oil out. And that part can still be used to rub your body. The only problem we'll be having is if that water part spends too long, it will start fermenting and there will be a kind of odor in your oil. So if you're using it for the body, you just need to separate that part away and use that part first. But the only thing is that particular side gets fermented easily. It might not spend more than a month or thereabout, but you can quickly use that within 2 weeks, 3 weeks. I guess after a month you might start seeing a kind of fermented odor. So that is why you don't have to leave everything that way. Thank you very much. My name remains Prince Yemi Kasali. If you're yet to subscribe to our YouTube channel, kindly do so. And if you're yet to follow me on Facebook, kindly do so. And if you're yet to purchase our Entrepreneurial 101 book, please do so. This book is powerful. It contains more than 40 productions you can do by yourself, and at the same time it also contains more than 40 businesses you can do for yourself and by yourself. Thank you very much.